I got 2 time withdraw from this website. Total withdrawn 3.85. Here you can see the payment proof. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am bringing new earning website. You can get withdraw easily in your first pay account in any currency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum or Tron. I will show you the payment proof as well, so don't skip video, otherwise you can't understand and you can get error. So let's move to our video. First off, you have required website link which given description. You can directly go from there. So here you can see the interface of this website. You can see their recent payouts from here, okay, to pay users. So now first of all create account, so just click on join now, it's free. Then provide here your username, email address, password, confirm password, select your gender, then select your country, solve captcha, agree terms and conditions, then just click on register. Your account will be created. After create account, just log in your account. Okay, here you can see my balance which I earned from Termux without any work. I earned these coins. You can also earn through a script. So don't skip video. I will show you the all process how you can earn. Okay, so now first of all I will show you the withdraw proof. Then I will show you how you can get withdraw. So click on more. Here you can see the withdraw history. I can't show you the live process because this website doesn't pay instant, but it pay within 2 days. Okay. So now here you can see I got 2 time withdraw from this website. Here you can see first time 1.92 USDT, then $1.93. Okay, here you can see I got in fast pay. It's paid. Last time I got withdraw 2nd December. Here you can see 07 July on 2022. You can see first pay paid, total withdrawn 3.85. Here you can see the payment proof. So now I will show you how you can get withdraw from this website. So here you can see the withdraw button. Just click on withdraw. Okay, select wallet. I recommended you use fast pay account. If you don't have fast pay account, link in description. You can create. You can get minimum withdraw in your fast pay account. Then just click on withdraw. Okay, so as the minimum withdraw is 2000 tokens coins which you can in just 1 hour. Okay, so here you can see the BTC. You can get withdraw in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin and Tron. Now I will get in just Bitcoin. So select your coin, then put here coins which you have available in your account. Okay, then put here your wallet address, copy from your fast pay account. If you don't have fast pay account, link in description. You can check out and create your account, then put here address. Okay, then just click on withdraw. Here you can see withdraw request was successfully received. So they will pay in within 2 days. Okay, go to the history, scroll down. Okay, here you can see payment in pending. So when I received, I will update on community tab on YouTube. You can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get latest update about any earning app, website and new scripts. So now go to the Faucet. So here is the many earning option. You can earn through Faucet, short links, PTC ads, jobs and many other options. We will run all in Termux. You don't have need to require work on this website. So you have required just a script file to run this website in Termux. Script file link given description. You can directly go from there. Then click any one ad to help us financially. Then just download your script file. After downloading a script file, open your any Explorer APK which you use. Then go to the download folder where you download your script file. Okay, go to the download option. Here you can see download script file in the format. First of all unzip it. So long press on script file, then click on more and click on extract. Okay, now script file is successful. Open unzip folder, then long press on folder. Here you can see cfg.php. Open that file. So now here we have required user agent, cookies and your sole media. So we will all capture from HTTP canary. So go back and open HTTP canary. Then first of all link your web browser here. which you use. Then if you are a new user using any first time, install CS certificate from setting, then just click on start and open website. Just click on menu bar. Okay, here you can see earn coins. Just select earn coins. Here is the faucet, so just click on faucet. Okay, then if cookies are not capturing, so just stop your canary, stop, then start again. Now reload again. Here you can see reload getting time. It means cookies are capturing, so just wait for complete your reload. Okay, reload is completed. Now just scroll down. Just click on roll to grab free coins to capture social media cookies. Here you can see all cookies captured successfully. Now go back to Termux. HTTP canary, stop canary, then click on three dots, then filter, now server host. So find here claim free coins.cc, check it, then find API secure social media, also check it, then go back again back. So here you can see claim free coins.cc, check it, then go open, right here you can see user agent, just long press user agent copy it back to the script file, then just click on edit and paste here in user agent. Okay, paste. Now go back to the canary, right left, here you can see the cookies, just long press on cookies copied back to the script file, paste your cookies, paste, then go back to the canary, again back. Okay, here you can see API secure social media /challenges, open that file, then long press on URL to copy your URL and paste in script. Okay, copy it back to the script file, paste your URL. Okay, paste, now save, then go back and again back, then long press on folder and click on more and click on properties. Now click on copy full path, this location copied successfully. Now go back and open Termux. So if you are a new user using Termux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on Telegram channel. You can copy from there or you can DM me on Instagram. I will provide you there. If you don't know how to install basic command, video link given in description. You can check out how to install. Then continue your process. CD space paste location. Enter ls, enter php bot.php, then just press enter. Here we have required password link also given in description. In article you will see password button, or you can copy from there, then copy password and paste your password, then just press enter. Okay, so now wait for connect your bot in your account. Okay, then subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest earning website earning script you can use, and you can get notification easily. Okay, go back to the Termux. So now just wait for connect your account. Okay, here you can see my account is connected successful, balance and bits also showing. So there is the two options to earn, auto faucet and auto PTC. You can use both. Auto PTC is limited, auto faucet is unlimited, so use auto faucet. Just press 1, then enter. So now just wait for bypass captcha. Okay, here you can see captcha bypass instant. So script is working successfully. I got reward which added my balance. So subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz, bye bye.